Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am sorry my hair looks like this. I did not cut it, but I just did not have time to fix it up nice. We are headed out tomorrow to go to Nashville for a few days. So I just wanted to make sure I got this videotaped for you guys so it can go up, because a lot of you have been emailing or DMing asking me about this topic. And this topic is so exciting to talk about. So today we are talking about PLLA, or polylactic acid. This is such an exciting ingredient because it plumps, it restores, it fills, it's volumizing. And once I think you learn a little bit more about it, it may become a quick and favorite part of your skincare routine. So let's start with the basics. PLLA, the biocompatible, biodegradable polymer. That means that our bodies actually recognize this ingredient, knows how to process it safely. It's actually derived from lactic acid, which is something our bodies naturally produce in our muscles when we exercise. In medicine, however, PLLA has been used for many years in things like dissolvable sutures because we know that they're safe and effective. Now, when applied topically in skincare, PLLA works very differently. Not just an average hydrating serum or moisturizer. Instead of just hydrating the skin surface, actually stimulates your own collagen production. Think of it as it gives your skin its own building blocks to replenish itself, which then leads to firmer, plumper, more volume in your skin. Over time, it's going to help restore elasticity, smooth fine lines, and plump. So who can benefit from PLLA? And honestly, anybody. If you're starting to see early signs of sagging, loss of volume, it will help to prevent further loss. Now, if you've already started experiencing more advanced volume loss or depletion, it can help to restore a more lifted and youthful appearance. It's a great option if you don't want injectables. However, I'm sure that if we've ever talked one-on-one, I typically say our PLLA products are for mature skin. But since I brought it up, let's go ahead and talk about the products we carry with PLLA in the ingredient list. Well, House of PLLA from HOP, or HOP, has created all of their products to contain this very special ingredient. And this is also one of our Korean skincare brands. One of our best-selling products ever at SkinBeautifulrx, and one with one of the highest 5-star reviews, is the CaviPLLa, or CaviPLLa O2 Serum, which is really exciting because it's formulated with one of my favorite ingredients, which is oxygen. This is going to be for advanced plumping. It has an oxygen delivery technology. What's very exciting about this product in particular, though, it has an effervescent texture. So it's going to bubble a bit on the skin, helping ingredients to penetrate more deeply. Alongside the PLLA, you're also going to find antioxidants, botanical extracts that also are going to brighten and protect. With consistent use, and I'd say 8 to 12 weeks, there's fuller, smoother, and skin with bounce to it. You're definitely going to see this product work. I do want to mention, if it does not bubble, that does not mean it doesn't work. Typically, that means you've applied product underneath of it, or you do need to exfoliate. But whether it bubbles or not, she's working. But again, this has polylactic acid, it has niacinamide, it has fermented black royal jelly, 4 different growth factors, including an EGF, an FGF, IGF, and TGF, and caviar extract. Now, one area that you may start to see signs of aging first, and this ingredient sounds perfect for you, start with their eye cream. This is their promoter lip and eye, so you can use this around the eye or around the lip. So if you have those smoker's lines or resting crow's feet, starting to see sunken in areas, this is going to be a product you're going to love. Because eyes and lips are 2 areas where we have collagen loss a lot quicker, and it shows a lot quicker too. This is a super lightweight cream. Also has peptides that are gonna target crepiness, fine lines, and skin thinning. It's perfect under makeup, and it's also perfect at night, especially if you like to bring your retinol up under the eyes, because this is also very calming and rejuvenating. It also has PDRN and Volumizing. It has a metal tip applicator too, so if you are using this in the morning and have some puffiness, it is great for lymphatic drainage as well as just making that area nice and tight and constricted. Another product I feel like I need to talk about a lot more, and a product I personally use. If you follow me on Instagram, you've probably watched me use this. This is their PLLA Pro Micro Peel. This is an exfoliant you can use once weekly to have smoother, more refined skin. And while you're exfoliating, you're actually allowing that PLLA to penetrate even better. Don't let the word peel intimidate you, because you're not going to peel at all. It's super gentle and resurfacing and exfoliates without having the naked eye see it. So we're going to be gently resurfacing, peeling back that dull skin, any dead skin cells, while we are hydrating and pushing that PLLA to plump and smooth. The texture of this is super silky, almost like a lotion. And with weekly use, you're going to see smoother, more refined skin. I love that an exfoliant has super awesome collagen plumping abilities, and you only have to use it once a week. Now I want to switch gears a little bit, because say PLLA is just not something you want to use. That's totally fine. There are other amazing products that we carry that are for volumizing. So I thought I would mix those into this video too, because there's multiple ways to peel an onion. I think that's the way to say it, but there's multiple ways to add plump and juiciness back to the skin. I want to talk about a few other standout products that I love to recommend for anybody who, again, is experiencing that sag, experiencing that loss of collagen, loss of plump, and bounce. The first one, and probably out of these three, the one that I think gives the most volume, is going to be the Revision, and this is their DEJ Daily Boosting Serum. This is not only focused on volumizing, but it's also focused on feeding the skin to support the skin's cellular energy. That means our skin cells can communicate better and more efficiently, and helps with cellular metabolism. It features a patent-pending sunflower extract along with antioxidants, vitamin C to re-energize, protect the skin. And it's also going to be protecting your collagen. This texture is super lightweight, not only going to help with elasticity, but the added ingredients are also going to be amazing for radiance and overall brightening. In fact, when you use this product, most of my clients say they see a really great brightening effect within 10 days. And again, this is going to help to fill in those lines, tighten that sag, and out of the three products I'm going to talk about that do not have PLLA, this definitely, in my opinion, gives the most boost, which is probably why it's called Boosting Serum. Next up is, of course, the Alastin Restorative Skin Complex. And I want to say in clinical studies, this gave 1.5 ml of boost to the skin, so it was comparable to getting 1.5 mLs of filler, and then this and the next one was 1 ml. So a little bit more with the Daily Boosting Serum, but still amazing results with the next two. So Restorative Skin Complex, one of my favorite products we carry, especially now that it's even more improved. It has their Trihex technology, which allows the body to remove old, unusable, sticky collagen, allows our bodies to create new collagen that can go in and firm up that structure. So collagen is what is like the shell, the framework to our skin. So without renewing it, that's when we start to see that loss, that drag, and that pull downward. So we need those healthy fibers, which is what the Trihex technology and this does. This is also a great growth factor alternative because it is so rejuvenating. It's also amazing for sensitive skin and mature skin. It's a very easy product to put into any routine because it can really be added in anywhere, whether it be in the beginning of your routine or near the end. Again, it's going to be great for more lift, tone, and smoother texture. Okay, last but not least, another amazing product for volumizing that does not have PLLA like the first three products is SkinCeuticals. It's one of those products that I hate the name because it doesn't actually say what it does. In my opinion, HA intensifier would mean that it intensifies the hyaluronic acid in my skin, and yes, while it is doing that, this more importantly volumizes. However, it works a little bit differently because it does utilize hyaluronic acid to give you that volume and that plump. As we know, hyaluronic acid is a molecule that can hold a lot of water weight. However, they did combine it with proxylane and glycan to support. These ingredients are not only going to increase surface hydration, also amplify your skin's ability to hold on to that plumpness. The texture is rich and cushiony, but it absorbs super quick. And just like Alastin RSC in 8 to 12 weeks, your skin will look fuller, visibly firmer, and way more hydrated, especially in areas that tend to show hollowing. For anybody who's about to ask, you can absolutely use all of these products in this video in a single routine. If that is the main thing that you want to work on, is volumizing, lifting, and firming, absolutely apply this first. Then you're gonna be brightening with vitamin C as well as volumizing with boosting serum. Then you're going to put on, and actually these are interchangeable, your hyaluronic acid that plumps, and then your nice, rich, moisturizing, plumping Alastin. And of course, you can throw the eye in there too. So whether you choose to focus on all PLLA products or ones without PLLA, or you want to mix them all together, you can explore all beautiful, amazing, great volumizing serums that can work their way into any routine. Takeaway is plumping and restoring volume is no longer limited to having to get in-office injectables. Consistent, targeted skincare can support your skin's natural framework, see meaningful, visible improvements. No needles necessary. I always like to remind my clients to take before and after photos so you can track the progress, as results don't happen overnight. But if you put in the patience and the consistency, you're gonna love the way these products make you look when you look in the mirror. Hope you guys enjoyed this. I'll see you guys next time.